Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kibor Sinchar District Jongka West Giant Hills, kila Pynkup Burom ya ka Samla sawakani lakyang, halor ka jingkhor ya ka takmaksiar, ha ka SAARC Women's Bikini Model Category, ha ka World Fitness Federation, balapalong daga South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, ha Mumbai, ha ka Khatkhandai Trik Ujimang, Bad Usamla Alexander Lingdo, halor ka jingkhor kusnam Baar, ha ka left hand category, Bad Kabalai, Haka right hand category, Haka Jingïalehkai Asian Arm Wrestling Championship 8,000 apusan, Kabalalong Haka Lai Tarik Ujimang, Hado Khatwai Tarik Ujimang 8,000 apusan, Ha New Delhi. Kajingyalang Pynkup Burom, Lapalong, Ha Conference Room DC Office Jowai, Haka South Tarik Ujileu, Haka Jingyadan lang u Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills District u Abhinav Kumar Singh u IAS, Ki Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Kong B Bla, Kakong HML Kinta, Kakong DV Lingdo, Kumjo u Assistant Commissioner uba GLC Milliam, Kibalayaro bat ay kuble ya kajing treshitom jongki, bat kentu ken palm ru, bat kinang treshitom banjob omtang hakari Henry wat Shabar kariru.
Sawakani lakyang. Before we begin the program, I'd like to welcome our Deputy Commissioner, Sabina Kumar, Jingïalehkai, for being here with us and for organizing this program. I'd like to welcome all the ADCs, all the Assistant Commissioners, all the officers in the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, the family members of the two medal winners, the press, and everyone else. I'm glad to be hosting this program for Sri Alexander Lingdo and Srimati Sawakani Lakyang. Srimati Sawakani Lakyang, she won gold in the SAARC Women Bikini Model category at the World Fitness Federation Bodybuilding. And Sri Alexander Lingdo, he won second prize in the left hand category and third prize in the right hand category in the Asian Arm Wrestling Championship 2025, held from the 3rd of May to the 11th of May 2025 in New Delhi. So these two sportspersons have brought immense laurels and pride not only to their families but to the district as a whole in their stellar performance in their respective competitions.
I completing class 12 from St. Mary Manzulu and still studying my Bachelor of Arts in Kiamnongbat Government College. I'd like to thanks for all this, for giving me this platform to stand here. Not only a simple platform, but so grateful that I, as a woman, to stand to inspire all the women present from West Giant Hills District, not to step behind, to step forward, not to left behind. We must push ourselves to stand as a sport person. Some of us are told that bodybuilding is not a sport. They make a mistake. Bodybuilding is a sport. Without sport means without practice. We practice, we give ourselves, we sacrifice, we put all the efforts and discipline. So, with all the short speech from myself, you know that bodybuilding is not a simple sport, it is a tough sport and expensive. Some of us, they do not know, we can explain ourselves, but when they know, they will definitely cry also. So I thank my family for all they support me, and to all the government who support me from since Deputy Commissioner. I always, before I go to the competition, since April, I came to office and speak to sir. I push myself not to force by others, but from my side, I always make history. I want to make history, not anything. I want to make history to showcase that all the sport person they need to stand in their own feet. So thank you from my side. Only simple words and only that. Thank you.
Achievers and their families. First of all, it's a great privilege to be part of this felicitation program, which has been done in favor of Sri Alexander Lingo and Srimati Savakani Lakyam. You have brought great laurels to the district. Your achievements is actually a testament to the perseverance of your hard work, your dedication, timeless things what you have achieved, and as setting an example to all the youth present not in only our district but in also our state. I could say that the achievements of them have already been highlighted, but I'll repeat them. The felicitation for Savakami Lakyang, as she has been a winning gold medal in SARC Women Bikini Model category at World Fitness Federation Bodybuilding, and Sri Alexander Lindo, who's winning second prize in left-hand category and third prize in right-hand category in the Asian Arm Wrestling Championship 2025, which has been held from 3rd of May to 11th of May in New Delhi. From the side of the district administration, I say that I am committed and the entire office is committed for ensuring our continuous support to both our young achievers. With regard to the Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme, we are looking forward that any and every possible help which could be extended from the district administration would be considered and taken forward. Along with that, we have been in touch with one of the companies who under the CSR initiative would be supporting one of them with regard to their entire training, with regard to whatever their requirements would be in their journey for achieving higher knowledge. So this is all from my side, and I would like to congratulate them and wish them good luck for their future endeavors.